Here is how I refill one of these perfume atomizers. First, I twist the outside case open and pull out the small inner bottle. Then I remove the small cap from the bottle so it is ready to fill. Next, I take my perfume or cologne, remove the spray top from the full-size bottle and attach one of the small pink refill adapters that comes with the set. Then I place the small bottle under the adapter and press down so the perfume transfers into the travel bottle. I keep pressing until it is filled to the amount I want. For this one, I filled it all the way because I need it for my trip. After that, I put the cap back on, close it tightly, and place the bottle back inside the protective outer case. Now it is ready to carry and use on the go.